So we got the tent all packed up and we have some weather moving in. So we're gonna put up the awning. That way I don't have to put it up wet later. And if it's convenient, we'll pull it out again at our next destination. Did you get a splinter?
Yep.
In a little bit, we'll try to get some tweezers and pull it out, okay? The one thing I'm starting to realize with this air mattress is it's gonna be a pain to fill this thing up every night, isn't it?
And it's getting dirty from the ground. Pull this out?
Yeah, pull the stakes out. I'll go ahead and put them in the bag so we don't lose them, right?
I've seen you put this up before.
Well, hold on. You got that? Hold it. Pull it back towards you. I gotta get these under. Look, hold what you got. I got you. Hold on. All right, now do me a favor. Slide those two in. Perfect. Good?
Yep.
A little bit of workout, huh?
Yeah.
They went on pretty easy and they actually come off pretty easy as well. And I think we have about 10 minutes until this storm kicks in, so we'll be perfect time getting out of here. Get that other side real quick. All right, come on and hop in. Getting hotter and hotter. You got enough room in here?
Yes.
How'd you sleep last night?
Good.
Did it rain pretty hard?
Yes.
How does it sound like with the rain beating on the roof of the vehicle?
Terrible. It sounds like it's literally raining onto a tent.
Let's see what else. What are we gonna do today with all the rain?
I was thinking of just staying out here.
Out in the van? You just want to stay in the van all day?
Yes.
And enjoy the
rain being on the windshield.
Well guys, we've had some pretty heavy rain last night and it's supposed to rain for like the next 5 days in a row. So we'll try to find some stuff to do with the rain, you know, we can enjoy together. I'm gonna tidy up in here a little bit because with all my bags out, we're gonna run out of space quickly. So I'm gonna slide that under the bed. Ugh. All right, let me get some other bags and put them in here. With all this stuff in here, if we're not careful, we're gonna run out of space real quick. So we gotta stay tidy, and I think every morning we're gonna have to clean up the space. Mm-hmm. All right. If you've watched my channel for a while, you might have seen this RV. Last year, we did a video where we started this thing and we drove it maybe about 10 miles from the place that it was. It looks like it hasn't been touched since we moved it. It's still a great project, but it's definitely not going to be a daily driver. There's this bus here, which would have made an awesome school bus camper at some point, but it looks like maybe the windows have been busted out. It's starting to rain pretty hard here. So I'm going to go get back in the vehicle before it starts raining too hard. I don't want to get too wet because I think it's going to rain for several days. In this kind of environment, once you get wet, it's hard to get dry. Today would be like a great day to go walk around a mall or something.
Yep.
Yeah.
At an outdoor mall.
I like to grow a beard when I can, but after about 3 or 4 days, my face just starts to feel kind of itchy. I pretty much shave every day. I do prefer to shave with a regular 5-blade razor and some shaving cream and water, but out here I'm trying to conserve my water that I have, so I'm using my electric razor, and then I also try to use just a little bit of water when I'm brushing my teeth. I don't like to spit next to where I'm set up for camp, so what I do is I walk off and spit into the tall grass over there. So today it's gonna be like in the 90s again, and I took this chance to freshen up my face. Over the next day or two, we are going to make our way through Kentucky and into the state of Tennessee. You ready to hit the road?
Yep.
How far do you want to go today?
I honestly do not know.
So were you afraid last night?
No, it was just I heard suspicious noises that I do not know.
So is that the first time you've ever been scared sleeping in the van?
I wasn't even in the van at the time.
Do you know how to check the oil in the van?
No.
Let's pull over at the shop and I'll show you how to check the oil, okay?
Sure. Here's a napkin.
Pop the hood. So the dipstick is that little yellow hook. Good?
Yep.
Keep going. All the way down in. So if the oil's between the two dots, that means we're not over full and we're not empty, okay? Below that bottom dot, then you need to add a little bit of oil, right?
Right.
But you don't want to add it above the top dot. Does that make sense?
Right.
Cool. Put it back. Now put the hood about a foot up and then drop it.
Here.
Yep. Perfect. Just in case you're wondering, we are on camera here, and it looks like there's no alcohol allowed on this property at any time. Are you ready to hit the road?
Let's do it.